I have sent my Insta360 camera to China for repairing. तो अभी वो पार्सल आ गया है रिटर्न। तभी देखते हैं क्या खोलते हैं, इसको अनबॉक्स करते हैं। केशवी, जो पुराना कैमरा था वो रिपेयर हो नहीं सकता था, इसलिए Insta360 वालों ने मुझे पूरा नया कैमरा भेज दिया है। क्योंकि जो मैंने नया कैमरा लिया था वो वारंटी पीरियड में था। तो इसका क्या प्रोसीजर है और कैसे आप वारंटी पीरियड में फ्री, अगर आपने Insta360 कैमरा लिया है तो कैसे वारंटी पीरियड में आप फ्री रिपेयर करवा सकते हो। Hello guys, this is going to be my first video and I will share my experience with Insta360 company. So I have a Insta360 X3 camera. So from the last 2 months I was facing the Wi-Fi issue that I could not connect my camera to my Android phone. So once a few days I just ignored, and after that I have take seriously, and then I have contact to Insta360 company from online. I would like to say that no one can beat the China. Because as I had experience with the Insta360 company, so I have chat online in the WhatsApp with the Insta360 repair team, and they have support me how to repair my camera during the warranty period. So first of all, you have to create a work order in the Insta360 website. So you will get a one work order number. So you have to send your camera to Hongkong, China office. So you have to parcel your camera to the China, and they will check if problem persists to their side, then they will replace your camera. Otherwise they will charge you whatever it will be cost of the repairing. One of the best part is they will provide both side courier charges if the problem find out in the camera during the warranty period.